All right, riders, we're here with Team Suzuki. This is Tom from Suzuki Canada. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you coming by today. Riders, if anyone has any questions, comments, concerns, we're here at 799 Highway 20 West. My name's Cameron. I work here in sales, and I'm happy to help. Let's ride. And of course, I got to squeak out for my own little ride. Today, we're going to hop on the 2024 Suzuki GSX 8R. Let's go. All right, so as we put a leg over, we got the key. We got the dial that turns over. And we get that beautiful parallel twin to start up. I got a great colorway too with the black and yellow. We do have some different rider modes here, which is nice. Some different settings we can play through in the main tachometer. We have, which isn't often seen, but is a small but nice safety feature. That's the hazard lights when you pull over. Common courtesy, let people know you're pulling over. All right. Alrighty, everybody, we got our last ride of the day heading out here. Thanks again for popping by. We appreciate everybody. And ride smart, ride safe, have fun.
Yeah, you got a question about
if you're riding a bike, don't follow this guy. He's a speed demon, this guy. He's crazy, this nut job. This is Jerry, our operations manager. Anyone needs parts, give him a call.